In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a domain in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll have your sending domain connected and authenticated so your emails look professional and land in inboxes more reliably. Start by signing in and heading to the Mailerlite dashboard. From there, open your account settings. Inside settings, find the domain section. This is where all domain-related actions live. Click it to see any existing domains and the option to add a new one. Choose Add Domain. You'll be prompted to add a sending domain. This is the domain you want your campaigns to come from, like yourcompany.com. Next, type an email address that uses that domain. Avoid free mailbox providers here. Use a business email at the same domain you plan to send from. Click Save to continue. Saving tells Mailerlite which domain to prepare for authentication. You'll now see the option to continue with Mailerlite's connection flow or to manually authenticate your domain. Either path leads to the same outcome, proving you control the domain so Mailerlite can send on your behalf. Click to connect your domain and Mailerlite will display the exact DNS records you need to add. Keep this tab open. You'll copy details from here in a moment. Open a new tab and go to your DNS provider. This is wherever your domain's DNS is managed, often your registrar or a dedicated DNS host. In your DNS dashboard, create the records shown by Mailerlite. First, add the CNAME record or records as listed. Use the name or host exactly as provided and paste the target or value exactly as shown. Leave TTL at its default unless instructed otherwise. Next, create the TXT record for sender authentication. If you already have an SPF TXT record, don't create a second SPF. Instead, merge the include value Mailerlite gives you into the existing one to avoid conflicts. If you don't have one yet, create it exactly as displayed. Then add the domain verification TXT record. This is typically a short token that confirms ownership. Again, copy the host and value precisely. Don't add extra spaces or quotation marks, and be careful not to change unrelated records like MX or A. Return to Mailerlite and proceed to verify. DNS changes can take a little time to propagate, sometimes a few minutes, sometimes several hours. If verification doesn't pass right away, wait and try again. Once you see green check marks for each record, your domain is set and authenticated. You're ready to send campaigns from your own domain with improved deliverability and credibility.